Welcome back to our mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of fractions. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of fractions. The first part is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Observe the pictures. Here, each shaded part is 1 by 4 part of a circle. Combining two shaded parts, we get a half circle, that is 2 by 4 part of a circle as given below. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 gives 2 multiplied by 1 by 4. That is 2 into 1 by 4 gives 2 by 4. So the final picture is as given below. Can you now tell what this picture will represent? Here, each shaded part represents 2 by 9 part of a square. We have such 3 squares here. So together they will represent 3 multiplied by 2 by 9. Therefore, the final answer will give 3 into 2 by 9 equal to 6 by 9. Now rules for multiplication of fraction by a whole number. The first rule is to multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction and keeping the denominator same. For example, 3 multiplied by 1 by 8. Here 3 is a whole number and 1 by 8 is a proper fraction. So the first step is multiply the whole number with numerator of the fraction 1 and keep the same denominator as 8. That gives 3 into 1 by 8 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 whole divided by 8, that gives 3 upon 8. Next rule, to multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number. In this case, first convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then multiply. Next, we can go to one example, that is 1 integer 4 upon 9 multiplied by 6. The first step is convert the mixed fraction 1 integer 4 upon 9 into an improper fraction. That is 1 integer 4 upon 9 equal to 1 into 9 plus 4 whole divided by 9 gives 13 upon 9. Next step is 13 upon 9 multiplied by 6 gives 13 multiplied by 6 upon 9. That is, we are using the first rule, that gives 78 upon 9. It is an improper fraction. So in the next step, we convert it into mixed fraction, that gives 8 integer 6 upon 9. So therefore 1 integer 4 by 9 into 6 gives 8 integer 6 now upon 9. Now we can start with exercise 2.2, question number 1. Which of the drawing to show 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3? The question can be asked as represent pictorially 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. The solution is given as given below. That is, circle is divided into 3 parts, out of which 2 are shaded. So each circle represents 2 upon 3. Such 3 circles are there. So the answer is this. Next, question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Our first question, 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. The solution is, first we multiply the whole number by the numerator of the fraction, then keep the same denominator. So we are getting 7 multiplied by 3 whole divided by 5. It gives 21 upon 5. It is already in the lowest form and it is an improper fraction. So we convert it into mixed fraction. So we are getting 4 integer 1 upon 5. Our next question is 5 by 2 multiplied by 6 gives 5 multiplied by 6 whole divided by 2 equal to 5 multiplied by 6 whole divided by 2. We can cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator because 2 is common in numerator and denominator. So we are getting 15 upon 1. It is in the lowest form, that gives 15. Next question, 15 multiplied by 3 by 5, same as earlier question. 15 multiplied by 3 whole divided by 5. Here 5 is common in both numerator and denominator. So you should divide both numerator and denominator by 5 gives 9 upon 1. So the final answer is 9. Our next question is question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. The first one, 5 multiplied by 6 integer 3 by 4. Whenever we are dealing with a mixed fraction, the first step is to convert it into improper fraction. Then use the rule for multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So this will gives 5 multiplied by 27 upon 4, that gives 135 upon 4. That is 5 into 27 whole divided by 4 gives 135 upon 4. It is in the lowest form itself and it is in improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction and it gives 33 integer 3 upon 4. Our next question, 3 integer 2 by 5 multiplied by 8 gives 17 upon 8 multiplied by 8 gives 17 multiplied by 8 whole divided by 5 gives 136 upon 5, which is in the lowest form and it is also in the improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So it gives 27 integer 1 by 5. Now I am giving some questions for practice. Try to solve that one, which one we have discussed. Now I am giving some practice questions for you.